Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. You can see with our key fob here, I can operate both sliding doors and the power trunk latch. This is a rear entry brand new conversion. I can operate the entire conversion using only 2 fingers. Very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. Look here, I can pull this out using only my index finger. Super simple to do. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. This ramp is 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than the side entry. It's one of the reasons I like these rear entries better. It does have 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, 58 inches of headroom inside the van. It's got 33 inches between down here at the base. It's got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. And I stand corrected with this little center console up here. Sticks down about 3 inches and about 55 inches of headroom on this van. So 56 coming in, 55 on the inside. Between these second row seats, there's about 21 inches of room. Most chairs will slide up in between here, or the person's legs will slide up in between them. If you need more room, you can always remove a chair to make about 5 more inches of room. We have seats that flip up on their side. There's no one size fits all, so let us know what you need, and we can help customize this van to meet your needs. Rear air controls. Sorry, I had a phone call I had to take, but back to the van. Got a nice center console, dual climate control, rear air, heated seats and steering wheel. Dash looks great. Plenty of plug-ins for your electronics. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Your garage door opener is right there. All your power doors can be operated up here as well. And hey, if you're going to use this van for, say, a taxi cab, hit the off button. These doors all become manual doors, so you can slide them open and shut quickly. You don't have to worry about damaging them. So a real nice option to have. And if you want them back to power, all you gotta do is flip a button, they'll be right back to power. So we do give a free set of Q-Strength pull-tight tie-downs away with each van. When you got everybody secure, look, 1 finger. When you come back out, reverse the process, latch it down, you're ready to go. Quick walk around to the van. Got the alloy wheels, tinted windows. The front tires are brand new Hercules, high dollar tire. The rear tires are the Yokohama. They got about 9/32, so not far from brand new. Don't ask me why they put mismatching tires on, but the front are Hercules, the back are Yokohama. Both very nice brands. I would have done matching tires if it was me, but they're both darn near brand new. They're both a good brand name tire. Very clean exterior. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's very clean, and I'm looking hard for a scratch or a dent, and I'm not seeing one. Very nice, very clean, very well taken care of van. Up on the roof, everything looks good. On the interior, we always show you the VIN number. That way, you know I have this in my possession. I'm not pulling some internet scam where I'm trying to get you to send me money. It's right here. I've got it in my hands. Speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax report with each one of our vehicles. You can see this shows no accidents or damage. 1 owner, last owned in Oklahoma. Yes, it was a rental vehicle. A rental vehicle on a minivan does not scare me one bit. Now, if it's a Mustang or a Camaro, yeah, I probably don't want to get one that people have hot rodded around, but I don't think too many people jump in the car and say, hey honey, grab the kids. We're going to go hot rod this minivan, this rental minivan. So, something to think about. Carfax. Shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. As you scroll down, you can see it was owned in Oklahoma, so regional vehicle. Also check us out on eBay. We have 839 reviews. We've never had any negative feedback. 0 negative feedback. That's 839 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. Go check out our reviews on Google. No matter who you use, make sure you check out the reviews. Make sure A, they're a real company that you're sending money to. B, see what people are saying about it. We got a 4.7 out of 5 stars. Great reviews. So check us out, see what we're about. Another great feature of this Caravan is the remote start. This is great not only in the wintertime when you can get the windows defrosted, have your leather seats nice and warm. It's also great in the summertime. No one wants to come sit out in a hot leather seat, so you can actually get the AC going. We checked all the power windows. Oh, we got to turn the car on. Put the key in. Actually, physically turn the car on. You can see there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. Those lights all go out. Current miles 47,276. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We push every button on every van. Power mirrors here, power mirror over there, you can see it moving. All the power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise, power seats. We test everything. This is not some van we send out to you or you come look at. You've got the vent windows in the back. See those opening up? Not some van you come look at. It's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. You'll notice that when people selling cars, 90% of the time you're not going to get the whole story. And listen, that's not how I do business. We're too honest to do that. I'm too busy selling vans to do stuff like that. So got the navigation, backup camera, radio works great. Let me pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles so quiet I can hardly hear it running. No signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage. Everything looks good. Have our emission sticker right here. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any abnormal, rust from a flood. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. I don't see any signs of any leaks. And that's the #1 mistake people make when used vehicle shopping. They assume things. They assume because it's a 2020. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because it's only got 47,000 miles on it. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. That is the most dangerous way of thinking when you're buying a used vehicle. Go look at my competition. Go to their website right now. That's fine. How many of them show pictures of the undercarriage, much less a video? How many of them show you a Carfax? How many of them show you the reputation that A, they're a real company, and B, that they've got a good reputation? So all these things, if you're just assuming that it runs and drives good, that it's not all rusted out, you are on a slippery slope, a very dangerous slope. Demand a detailed video, demand a Carfax report, and you do your due diligence. You find out who you're buying from, you find out who they are, you check out their reviews, and know who you're buying from. So 3 things you must absolutely do, and if you don't do all 3 of those things and the van shows up and it's not what you expected, I promise you have no one else to blame but yourself. I'm coaching you, I'm letting you know how to do this, even if you don't buy from us. Do those 3 things. So let me get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. Final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure the van is roadworthy, steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or anything like that. With all that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to like 8 years and everywhere in between with this van. But speaking of warranties, it still meets the specs with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Our conversion is brand new, has the best warranty in the industry. 3 years, unlimited miles on the conversion. I repeat, 3 years, unlimited miles. And now, the Bronze of the world, the Freedom Motors, they're going to tell you they have the best conversion. They're going to tell you they have the best, highest quality. But their warranty goes 3 years, 36,000 miles. It stops at 36,000 miles. Ours is unlimited. So you tell me who has the better quality conversion. The people that stop at 36,000 miles or the people with unlimited warranty? Who has the better product? I think that's a pretty easy answer. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they don't tell you about is their $500 dock fee and then their tag fee. Then they're gonna charge you for shipping to get the van out to you. Shipping 4,000 pound vehicles is not cheap. And they're gonna make money on the shipping. And next thing you know, that real nice price online is about $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 more than you were expecting. My question to you, on these hidden fees, if a dealer's gonna hide the real price from you, if it says $30,000 online, it should be $30,000, not $30,500 or $31,000 after the fees or whatever it is. If they're not telling you the truth about the price, what else are they hiding from you? They're hiding electrical problems, mechanical issues, flood damage, a salvage title. I don't know. I just know if someone's not being upfront and honest from the get-go, there's a real good chance there's a lot more that they're hiding. So just be aware of all the wolves out there, because there's a lot of them. As you noticed, when I stopped, gave it a hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So all exactly what we're looking for. And hey, if you want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316 262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. And if you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got my cell phone number. I am the owner. I want you to talk to the competition, the Freedom Motors, VMIs of the world, Braun, Mobility Works, United Access, all those big companies. Ask them if they are committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Because I am the owner, you now have my cell phone number. So do you want to do business with a big company and just be a number? Or do you want to contact the owner if you ever need something? So you think about that and let me know. If you want to see our inventory, check out our entire inventory with free Carfax reports, detailed videos, and dozens of pictures at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email, or we can just take one over the phone. Let us know how we can help with those. We do take trade-ins. Even if you're across the country, give me a call. I'll let you know how all that works. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.